to Gael, lumsa Dhoireann.
Love to Louise.
Agus lumsa Síomha.
And Louise is just telling Síomha how much she'd love to top and tail her in the bed.
She was actually.
Yeah.
Not that.
Well, actually, I was saying, wouldn't it be a great night in bed? I didn't necessarily say it would you, Síomha. Don't get ahead of yourself. You're busy.
Oh, come on, let's go.
You're already fully loaded.
Who else would it be?
No, just I have a long list of people.
Is she even a
including
tourist? He
Declan.
doesn't. Yeah.
And after that, I don't know. But your lads, he's in the bed the whole time now, and Tamer Faz.
Yeah.
I don't know myself.
You've actually posted it.
Delighted.
I'd say his apartment has never been as busy. You know,
Great.
which is a good thing. Yeah.
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 Well, she could ask kind of Kurt Bella of her teamplers.
Yeah, no, tá sé go das tá sé mar as bhile nacht now agus imile mo chóir chumach we're kind of a grind glúán fi láher Freisin. So it's kind of hilarious and I'm a bit like, oh, rude.
Walker Gritty the core.
No, nach will sé lumanocht.
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
some kind of gas. I suppose just you go I dahi leis reach, you know.
Yeah.
But on Tainrod no, and you'll be delighted lum. The question is lawn gabail lads.
Oh,
Jesus,
fair
there's
play.
cucumbers and peppers and
Agus was it still a cockroach?
Era here and there, but he's really doing the heavy lifting in terms of the cockroach.
That's
Anna.
for
But
you know what?
topping and tailing.
That-
The cucumbers.
Yeah.
There
Well,
you
I've been
go.
having little Ovgach Madden than breakfast and I'm like, oh, knock das and ruddy now. They're kind of like in a routine.
Now,
Sorry,
Come on.
I can't believe you're like, pleasure. I'm to my milta of air modern.
Yeah, but I'd choose a fucking blow dry over the egg, you know me.
Yeah.
Like I'd roll out. But anyway, sure, look, it's a rain new anish agus may
Rain new,
Okay,
Air
girl,
modern.
it's been a rain now le Tamil fella. Come on,
tell,
came
yeah.
in, put royalty when we tried to new le. I'm Todd Declan, national yeah, and it's a rain new. Well, it's a fucking rain new. Got day
I
Lou
know. I wish isn't it nice that I
Gosh,
feel like that would have got.
Yeah, knocked us,
Yeah.
knocked us. Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, look,
yeah.
it is a rain new. Matan Kishnor lawn. It's probably in Chiarraí or Uskal doing Kishnor le Tamil. So you know.
It's us timer fad lads anyway. I don't know. I'll have to send you. I know I'm not of like the Dhoireann on pavlova on a cake stand level yet.
Okay.
But Dhoireann, I don't
MJ
think
now.
I'll. Ní dóileann me an riamh.
Yeah.
I think I just need to be sauced till a cuishnor lawn agus Declan Jane one cocrocht because like I
girl,
don't. The pavlova doesn't call
do
me
it.
to eat
Okay.
it. Yes, to make it. I'm bored.
So Kane can all Pavlova there in a she
Yes.
Bokal she Pavlova got
Pavlova.
quarter a rare.
But I just did it like a very slapdash v card.
A slapdash Pavlova if you don't mind.
on a crystal cake stand.
Pavlova's a very basic, like it's not very exciting.
Basic is jelly and ice cream.
Lava is if you've ever made a Pavlova.
Okay, now hang on a minute. Shiva coming at me here now for my domesticity. Mrs. fucking domesticity. What dessert do you
never
make?
made a Pavlova.
What dessert do
I
you
don't really
make?
do desserts.
You aren't a big dessert person, actually.
No,
That's true.
no.
isn't it?
It's
Yeah.
small brother milsha but I'm not a baker. I make banana bread because my bananas go brown all the time, but shouldn't tainer at the end.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Too many vegetables.
No point
to
looking at
fucking
me.
to peel. By the time it gets the time to make dessert, you're exhausted.
Darren was horrified.
A lot of
Ag my
work.
baby shower, ag an dare shocked and she thought that I was just going to feed her vegetarian food and she skevla.
Now,
She was.
sorry, can I?
She
I will
actually
just say.
started to get. I could notice her. She was going red.
Yeah,
and a bit
I was
hot
in conversation
and
with Shiva's brother-in-law, who was also. We were panicked there for a few
carnivores.
minutes.
Two
And two carnivores, but Nobby Bhur they
Red-blooded.
served up some fucking delicious meaty tacos. That's dead, massive Dublin. Fuck
And I
me.
do.
Be a fob.
Darren was in. You know that mood. Get in there now and get one of the pork tacos. The pork ones going
Yeah.
in the back second.
Oh, I was shoveling them back. But like, in fairness, myself, there was a little gang of us in an Erchuler fad that were kind of rating all the tacos and going through it.
Oh,
and, yeah,
gas.
no, really, yeah, Mahane.
Mukbang Sakunya.
Oh, big time. Patrick Kavanagh, Louise McSherry, it's in our fad. We were all really.
But kind
Dahasa.
of V may hain occur a gunya like because it was very messy and sloppy.
Yeah.
So I was like, come on, let's
You actually did.
I
Yeah,
had to be
you ducked out.
I had to like a VM Costa people because it was like a,
Yeah.
you know, and Rutherford Seville and Rutherford
Because
Segal.
actually, if you ever glad let the car Ashley, and you know it's really funny to talk to someone while they're eating something like
Yeah.
a taco,
Yeah.
because like current Kester, and then they're like,
Yeah, and
You know,
I
like,
mean,
obviously
actually not
praying
one
to talk gay
to,
stuff.
yeah, not one to not be dramatic about it. Like,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
it's really what he was doing. Do you know what I was like? Isn't it funny? Like, why do we do that? Why do we keep asking the Keshna?
I know.
Obviously, thought she-
like,
yeah, like-
laugh like a male like
Yeah,
you asking those
yeah,
convoluted
yeah,
cash.
yeah.
The alternative is just stand there in silence, and you know, as somebody
Eat
is
away.
eating, I mean, like,
Yeah.
okay, and now, you know what I mean.
You know, Curdy on etiquette and shit. Curdy on etiquette cart.
With
I think
canapes.
that etiquette cart is gone a bheith. So tá mé léamh leir faoi láthair meallar na Mitford sisters. I don't know, Cheannig Owen O'Cahan them actually go Nulloch. Mitford sisters were like this English aristocratic family, but they had fascinating lives. One of them was like Hitler's lover. The other was a really famous author, Nancy Mitford. Banella became a duchess. Banella, Jessica Mitford went over and became a massive socialist in the States. Fascinating. Anyway, Ken Sturdy Growther against them was like the upper classes in England, their big skill was like, even though that they were able to like access the finest food, finest wines and stuff, that their great power was that they never overindulged, and it just took it like a little bit. So I think the etiquette is not to be stuffing your face.
Moderation.
Boring.
Yeah. And at dinner parties and stuff, anybody who'd be like stuffing their face is like, oh my god, they're so uncouth. They're so like have 1 or 2 bites or don't touch it at all.
Oh my
that
goodness.
that was the proper manners. Isn't that
Cheapers.
outrageous?
No, Níl go sin. Rud actually chuine me sé ar lína an talking seo tá lad ar lína dvanam an Moil Cohach, I think is he's kind of gas, right? But Ryan sé rud a wine, it was like aglav, it was just a garho go aglav again Martin Tom Hiani.
I meant to send that to Louise.
I was so gas. And it was kind of Cur Martin Tom Hiani and Kester and then agus near Coola sé Garrett, and he goes, huh? And that they and shouldn't and we dini raw actually couldn't make dini Ryan to raw like show road Ghaeltacht because it's kind of like huh.
Oh my god, Darren Yad, on timer 5.
Yeah, so it's not like Gumalesh scale, pardon, excuse me, sorry,
Yeah,
and like we say to know Sogum say raw, and then Dorothy and I was like, oh, that sounds really rude. Just doesn't.
Oh, I do all the time.
Okay.
Yeah. Gas. Okay, and okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's motivation. Yeah.
So now your face, look, it's just Ghaeltacht.
Shin on Rod, yeah. That's gonna be my lesh scale now, Siomha. Huh? What you say? Huh? Yeah.
Well, there you go. Well, we Dar Shachtana Annie asking, obviously, the baby shower, Síomha, and I have to say one comment, Síomha. I don't know any woman who can rock a white dress in the middle of January. Right, you have tan. Is this just your? What is with the skin? Like it looked. I couldn't wear a white dress like that unless I was slathered in tan for about fucking a week before.
No, that's my Sardinia tan over Van for.
No, it is surely not.
Lick it. I swear to God. Like,
lick it. But like, is this just
taste it?
Is this your default da now? Surely not a tan anymore. I think you're just.
I think now talk with me Alagum or Levi makes a green or fat piece in it, so we'll see me at my playlist now again. Better like 3 Chiarraí.
That's insane.
Then I'll rock a greenery.
But we're too going Martin even more posh to Oak. Sorry, I know we talk about this all the time.
I know,
it's just so annoying.
I was always sallow. I was always sallow. Yeah, I was.
Okay.
So should just.
Well, you look great, and you were the talk of the town anyway. I have to say, I went into work this morning. Not one, but 3 people I'd say asked me, "She would work falling with the baby," and then all of them were commenting on shout out to James Kavanagh, who continued to record the video and not save the pregnant woman falling.
But I didn't need it because I caught myself. I was, of course, James was recording because he said to me, he's like, come out onto the balcony, I want to record you doing a strut walk to my humps by the Black Eyed Peas. And I was like, of course. So of course he was recording, and of course I slipped while he was recording me. But it wasn't really a fall, it was literally a little slip, and I caught myself live rock bow.
The slow-mo was really funny.
I know, I know. And look, I'm milking it, come out to me, hey, Cahavanus our TikTok, but it was a little slip, and then Cahill was like, get those heels off and put your Uggs on. So that was Darren the heels. I was like, that's kind of fair enough. But ag Togger Gabroga, Count the Bruntonish is Fargo War Megan baby shower, not own a Kylie Ní Shaw, right? Now they took pity on me, they said, throw out the Adidas, and they gave me a new pair of Adidas.
Fair. No, it's been a full year of the Adidas. He says they owe you nothing.
Do you know what? The baby's gonna love them, right? They're gonna love my new Adidas runners.
Right. Well, we couldn't have you strutting around getting your cup of coffee with the baba now in a couple of weeks' time in your Adidas.
No, Coke and all.
Well, it was funny when we went in to get it because like it's a minefield now buying Adidas anything because they're in Gach Illa Da. So we were trying to round the game that I was like, right, we're going to put this in the hands of Unshuppa. So I was like, what have you got in size 6? Bring it out to me. And I was like, in my head,
my shoe size.
Well, I
no, I don't care. I don't.
Wiki feet.
You know what they say about a size 6 and a skin colour like that? Yeah.
What do they say? They're very fertile.
That's it. Great bumps. So I was like, maybe in my head I was like, imagine now if like a pink pair come out or a blue. It was like the fucking gender reveal. I was like, what's going to come out? I was then Honig Daragamach, and I actually messaged her and I was like, up the rebels around them again.
Yeah, no, because you go Honig, I love them.
Yeah,
I know they stuck in the gift receipt. I haven't seen one of them in ages. Like,
Leave
I'm on Uside. I love them. Like, British on a job. Yeah, I love them.
Yeah, because you wouldn't know what you. Very picky. So she was.
I am not. I'm wearing cardboard runners from Vietnam for the last year. Like, nothing picky about me.
Girl, you won't know yourself now. You're in the probably
actual
still in cardboard runners from Vietnam that just have a different fucking letter on them. To be honest. But anyway, I know. Well, where?
Germagat.
Ná darú the gig will meet gan hours Patreon. I'm going to put a little clip to Patreon and Seachtain Show so you can hear back all the crack we're having there. Gach dear Dean. You.
My ceist is going to have to be relating to my chronic love life at the moment. It's going from bad to worse. So I would love a ceist miarlo sin.
Okay. Okay, we do have the lovers, which is great.
Okay.
But this really says when you're ready for life, life is ready for you. It's probably just beginning to open your heart up a little bit more.
Agus gan leir Tommy our full video and all the rest of it. And yeah, there you go. It's not very exciting. Full video.
Absolutely. Come and see.
Ray Nua, full video.
Ray Nua. No, but seriously, topic na Seachtain now. What do you think? Will we get stuck into it?
Let's go on to scale of hinchin tugas na
Man.
Oh.
Huh?
Well, Carlini, how to tell a story. Now, we've 3 spoofers here among us and not one decent storyteller. I don't know. Can happen, Shiv?
Ain't him.
Yeah.
Surely, bit of God. I'd like to think to myself that I'm able to pass on a good bit of gossip in an entertaining fashion. Agus ceapam gur scéalaíocht ishin.
Yeah, no.
Gur fur méid
Is genre. Is genre.
the
Is genre scéalaí.
Yeah.
Agus dúirtú scéal máling Sarah Hannemer stach and hahan an frásíocht go mórlam. You were taking off your Kerry relations and bhí sé anna
Bíon go maith déanamh sin agus like banrian lábhéil mé is even lom sprinklings of ábhéil a chuirteach. So I think, because I knew you were going to come hitting me with this right for this topic na Seachtaine, I think I don't want to be told a story that isn't going to entertain me.
Yeah, no, I want
You
to
know?
be suitably shocked and agog.
Entertained.
I want to
Yeah,
be entertained. And I think with great entertainment comes ábhéil.
No, ain't him. Now, I don't feel like I'm great at telling stories. There's a few reasons for that. If we're haying, I feel like I don't give myself the space or time. You know, I'm kind of like, hurry up, tell your story and like just get on with it, you know? But again, I'm sometimes when other people are telling me a story and if it's not great, I'm kind of like, how dare you take up my time with this?
Tell me facts. Give me the
100%.
headlines if it's something like factual. If you're telling me a story that's a good bit of gossip, I want to get into the fucking, like, I want it to be captivating.
Absolutely. So then I'm like, it's my worst nightmare to be telling a story and people to be like, to hear that story you're one told. It's my worst nightmare.
Yeah.
Jesus, it'd have to be a very boring story to be like to hear that story you won't tell. Like, it has to be suitably salacious.
I agree.
And appalling. I don't want to hear any stories of like really about like anybody unless it's like really like romantic or something, or you know, I don't really want to hear something unless it's like
well, it has to grip you, doesn't it? I think if you're doing anything, because I was trying to think about this today and I was like, fuck it, I love but then I was like, it's because, right, I feel when you work in an audio platform every day, right, you sometimes you run out of content and shite.
Yeah.
So you might have to go off one word or one and make a story up that's interesting for someone that is listening in their car or listening somewhere. So like, how are you going to entertain someone telling them the boring truth? You have to add an owl few.
So are you telling us that you lie on national airwaves every single day?
Every day, I'd say. I would say probably every day. Yeah.
So like got
Absolutely.
scale.
Oh my God, yeah. Make up texts all the time. Johnny there send me in a text of, I like, name me a presenter who doesn't. Of course.
Yeah.
Of course Johnny in Leitrim wasn't sending me in a picture of his underwear and telling me there was a fucking hole in them, the ones that his sister-in-law bought him for Christmas.
Oh, behind the
Whatever.
curtain.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Reveal.
Theatre of the mind.
There you go. Okay, wow. Insight into Louise agus
Insight into, I would say, every radio show in the country. Name me, love us, get in touch if you're someone who doesn't. Unless you're a news station.
Yeah. Well, well, okay. No, your radio show is a very certain type of radio show because you know that's your live gach law and you're playing music, whereas then you know Ruddy Ella and Rugri and Michelle Radio has always been very like there's hours and hours of stories and then you're trying to edit it down, so it's the totally opposite. It's the total opposite. So actually, if you make some of Hannah, because I can't do Ruddy short form, I find that really just,
as we learned on the 6 o'clock show.
No.
I know. Don't revisit the old wound.
Don't mention
no,
the war.
I don't bother saying it.
There's nothing better than going back over a story that has scandalised every single member of the friend group.
And like egging it up the next time. Getting into like...
Yeah.
And everyone adding in their own little details. And don't forget now that this happened as well.
Yes.
And there's nothing better.
I'm still as annoyed now as I was at the time. And and this is the same man who went over and shook Ivan Yates's hand nuair dúirte na rudí masacha sin meallar an Ghaeling agus actually nervy mayor pud chréile Sheila Shoga Larimar meallar sin and she just fucking masach, do better like Virgin Media, and they've asked me several times to go on as contributor or Ruddy, and I'm like, no.
Well, an rud is massive faoin rud sin ar fad ná, again, we're flogging a dead horse, but it's for all on which scale. Sheila Shoiga sat there and didn't even think anything of it and was just like, sure, I'm gonna rud. Like she didn't make a complaint. She got into her car and drove back to Galway that night thinking that was just the usual shite that Gaelgory here in Tonga.
Yeah.
And it was only that Virgin Media themselves actually put the clip up on social media.
Yeah, that it gained traction.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the saddest part of it, was that she was just like, another day is a Gael, you know?
Yeah, it's but you Anyway, God, surely, hopefully in 2026 we'll have more positive stories to say about.
But go share a gun pointa Vito Dana, you know, about the taking your time to tell a story, because that is there's all of these different ways. I find this really interesting, just about the different forms of media in particular, because I think radio, I sometimes struggle to listen to certain stations for these reasons.
So, well, Shin Saisuan the Scaliacht, I suppose, in the modern day. Codmialer, would you be arsed scrolling through these like reels Dina Aginchin Skelta story time?
Yeah, Nikina TikTok at all like 13 parts.
Oh,
you know, Nikina not really.
Yeah, no, Misha.
Well, nearly an Anagamurth. So
yeah.
Also, people hum and haw. Now I'm a real
I'm terrible for Emmy.
So bad.
Terrible.
But I can't watch you in your reel trying to tell a story and humming and hawing the whole time. You should have gone to speech and drama, okay?
I should actually rugger like Thomas Shiguri Fiosachar Ermoch Scaliach the Fish. I definitely do. Like I do. I want to command a room, be like, hold on now, I deserve on town. I was an board on Shomra, but I also want to remove my M's because I'm really bad for Ming.
I think I don't mind them if they're like in the right places. Sometimes a dramatic pause can be really nicely add to a story.
And
a bit of room to breathe for a second. But I think,
and when you pause and everyone leans in,
I think that's
but I'm talking about saying between every fucking 5 words or
being shaker
like I say a lot. You know, like I'll throw in a lot of likes, which is more than a
Well, to share ar fad, you know, buintach leis an idas cart leis scéal úntach ancient. Conas ganarian lat scéal úntach ancient nílas gom. Like, cé na scéalathe is ansalat veg éisteach loch an scéala ancient.
Oh, my Uncle Donal.
Okay.
My Uncle Donal. Yeah. She really come on. And just glock and say a quid out. And like, he's like, hold on, I wasn't finished, you know, because like, stop and shake and stuff.
Okay.
You know, but like, bar me, like kind of glock and shay on town and glock and shay leis go will do tilta or go in town tilta get. Do you know what I mean? Like
Kev and Ged.
It's go on.
No, you go on.
I was going to say it's Malam Gaishtukle, Kyla Cobbler or the man. Well, Anna go for Kyla Cobbler. She's a comedian.
She's gas.
Oh my God. Now she'll only tell short stories through videos, but it's the way she tells them. I love her turn of phrase, and I love her like use of an owl wink. You know those videos of like, you know, she'll sarcastically tell something and then
she's also a professional comedian.
Well, she is, but I guess that is story. It's not in itself being able to deliver a good spiel, but she's I love the way she describes things.
Okay, Aine the Hale, like Aine the
Hale.
Hale.
I'm a Hale Freisin. So there's lots of storytellers around us. My mother's outrageously dramatic. But her stories are so ridiculous that sometimes you just sit back and be like, you know that she's lying and exaggerating. And it's kind of like you have to just lock in.
Well, what I hate is mátá duna occur of election scale. The worst thing someone could do is pull them up on it.
Yeah,
I hate that.
Okay, yeah.
I hate it.
You have to sit.
That didn't happen. Shut up. That's not important.
No, thank you, buy into the whole thing. Buy into the whole thing.
Exactly. Suspended disbelief.
No, thank you,
like my mother meanders to the point of, you know, she'd be like telling a story and she'd be like, oh, now, and she was an awful size of a woman, and would you believe her aunt's like uncle had a house, and like completely irrelevant.
She's got to cut a lot of fat there.
Mhór. I'm sorry to generalise. Mhór are really good at starting one story, telling 4 more along the way, and then finally getting to the punchline.
Getting to the point. Okay.
Now Beidir Girl Shane on Dumsa Choma, because I don't know, I might do that myself.
Oh my God, are you going to have a total personality transform when you come back?
Pending.
Yeah.
That I guess is the 1-2 skip a few, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, Shinana
should have thought Dana was the 1-2 skip a few.
It's Orla Shana Vaha Shin La Dolo A to B to C. And then Matatu Giri, so Matatu like audiobooks, Scananiach, telefish, Aisteach le Dina Cadean on size scale is Ansalat, you know, Togan Tistach.
Oh, I like a Aisteach there's in a scale.
Yeah, I think it's a Dacker book on the high school.
Yeah.
Whereas that's the pertinent fact far, not a good juicy story over a pint.
Yeah.
That's it in its
Yeah.
glory.
But you know, Ceart Tastal and Ochgohard the Duck Scale there, and you're like, you need a few points of no, but hold on.
Oh yeah. Wait till I tell you.
Yeah.
Cúpla point to eight, she goes, but wait now.
And I have to say, my father's a great storyteller. He's a really good, and he comes into his own after a few drinks, and he'll really like relish it and give you all the details. But I think so.
Interactive is good.
Interactive is good. The reactions of the people.
Love.
Yeah.
I like a live audience.
Or I love this as well. Matama ancient scale mealer say da meg ancient scale mealer dinner Narvana gave her whatever. I'm like, oh, and you know, Sally from down the road. Who's she now? Well, I'll tell you who she is. Her mother would have been, the woman who, I don't know, used to deliver your papers. Yes, exactly. And I love that. And be like, geez, I know you. Connecting all the dots. You know,
you could live and breathe.
I'll tell you exactly who they are now. That's a really good one.
Rud atá, like I think sa tréimh sin bhfuilmuid den meán so síalta agus this kind of like really fast form content and short form content. So running away chlor television any pluribus on Apple TV. Okay, really good like but it was really long and stretched out, and you were drip fed stuff, and you had to wait to be told the story, and it really like scratched an itch in my brain that I didn't realize was there, because we're so used to being fed things, kind of spoon fed really quickly, next totally. But like in this, like say there was like a phone recording, and every time they played the full thing, and they didn't skip through it or like assume that you knew it was, do you know what I mean? Like, so it was kind of excruciating at times, but I was like, I feel better for it, you're made to sit through something and actually like
I'd have been zoned out. I'd have been next.
It's really good though.
I was going to say the attention span is a big thing, and Sinead Rodella own Brish, like I'm really if sé concentrating or sin léamh gan bheith scrolling, trying to train your attention span back into being able to lock into something for like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. But sin rud bhur ar an clíg ar féile dul an leicla scéalta now, isn't it?
Yeah.
But see, Tadini in Idahi now are like Shaska second to scale and
Sinead. I know it's
so let's bring back long form storytelling.
Céad forget, or even like now, will you do a rewatch the Rodagant? You know, new a éisteach le scale, you know?
Yeah.
I actually will
we just told the same.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
But now in fairness, no, near even scale. But you know the way say now, do we'd have a couple of things in the lore, Ruddy thought Tarlu fi láher, and then you'd be like, oh, tell the story again. But like, yes, but it's coming on
certain ones are good.
Yeah.
There's kind of a bonding that happens over that as well, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Like, oh my God, do you remember that?
Like our scale, like tá scale to agoin like Vader or now and new Auric and stuff, and that we're all able to chime in and be like, I know, hold on now, it was they shut you know, like
no, thanks Art go
Kai would actually talk there in scale is far tag and Troraguin. You know, and like a bit keen to go in, like, and then Louise, you tell this part.
Yeah.
You know,
oh my God. Yeah.
So we'll have to perfect that now.
Perfect.
We're talking good.
I always liked the one of us who were viewing Trid and smoking area, he's singing, and someone came up and asked us could they take a photo with us. And we handed them the phone and turned around and posed and proceeded to ask them to take the photo of us, not of them with us.
Oh my, sorry, that was absolutely chronic.
The fighting resumed.
And the fighting resumed.
Well, see, on I blesh and scale shit na the 8 and 8 inches Bernie Queelam Gokila fucking
but there that was the headline.
That was,
and it was a bit gas.
Jeez,
like, can we take a photo with you girls? Yeah, go on, take one quick. So
but you know what it is? It's the ability to laugh at yourself.
Oh,
and it's shin on road la Darren Nora Efron eggs, Dermy, you know, quoting her and time her fad. If someone else is telling a story about you, they're laughing at you. But once you take ownership of it and can tell the story about yourself, then it's your laugh and you've conquered the whole thing. And that's the thing, like there's no point in getting embarrassed about something or no, you have to be able to be like, I know I'm such an idiot, like, you know, and laugh at yourself. And that I think is the key to telling a good story, is because especially to Látá Novan, you know, can't have really cormach not to a Maslu or whatever. Whereas if you're like making yourself the butt of the joke.
Also, everyone loves to be perceived.
Yes.
Being perceived is the greatest thing in the world, right?
Yeah.
So, Colú's the Aaron's the Ned, do you know what you do? Or do you know what you say?
Yeah.
Suddenly you're like, go on then.
Oh, yeah.
You're not such a Moscow. I'm like, I fucking love it. You've noticed me. You know?
Good, actually. It is. And there is it's probably a fine art to that, isn't there?
Yeah, it's well, I suppose branch it because you could like make not that big a joke to someone and then like, but it's rud the thought on an insecure low, so then they're like,
yeah, true.
that, so then you've hit a nerve, and then like you just made a very like, sure, I'm only slagging you here, like what, and then it counted in Ella. Like nothing's ever that personal. No. I'm just trying to tell a fucking story and get a laugh. Okay.
Nervy me share school. I don't know. So we Aaron Munt school and lad shot, and then Sivan school we only lesh and he's fuide a rag, and he was like, you know, Shiva, I always remembered your birthday because you always got to open the first window on the advent calendar. And I was like, sorry, that's the cutest thing.
Oh my god, that is really cute.
Right? Yeah. Will me lesh like up me to reach and and I was like, well, you know my birthday, and he's like, what the fuck you talking about?
Oh no!
I was like, you know, the advent calendar. He was like, no idea, no, God.
Yeah. That's hilarious.
But I wonder now, like, was he just embarrassed?
No.
So he didn't know.
No.
At the time, it was cute.
He had it just, I don't know, but like really Don Shalom grabbed in a H quiv anywhere. Now, look, it stayed with him for long enough.
Well, that's it. Yeah, there's statute of limitations on these things.
There we go.
Yeah, he's probably in his mid-30s now. Can't be expected to remember an 8-year-old's
birthday.
Yeah, you can't remember your third class teacher. So
there you go.
So he's allowed to forget this random woman he's met twice.
Yeah.
Cad iad na saisen a scéalta go sima go bhainte. Are you like, you know, má tú dul mach sa tóir a scéal, like a film or a book or?
Oh yeah.
It's malam to
chat. Sorry, go on. I just thinking of a girl I had a chat with a very funny genre.
Oh yeah.
She told me. No, I won't say where I was recently, but I was sitting next to her at a table, and she told me the types of books she read are like fantasy fiction, is it? Yeah. So like about like having sex with dragons and vampires and stuff.
Apparently there's a really popular book series on this. I don't know what it's called.
A Court of Thorns and Roses.
Is that
really? It's like erotica or something, is it?
I don't know how erotic it is, but I know it's huge.
Well, the way she described it to me was like, it's like, imagine you love Lord of the Rings, but then you're like reading about like having sex with all the characters.
I would read that. I love Aragorn.
Like, I've never heard
we're getting insight into how Shiva conceived here now, right?
Aragorn, dragon.
No, Aragorn is the character that Viggo Mortensen plays in Lord of the Rings. Have you seen Lord of the Rings? We're a big Lord of the Rings household.
He's married to Khaleesi, is he?
What the fuck? That's Game of Thrones. Honestly.
Sorry,
my fantasy fiction girlies, come on now, be insulted alongside me and shut up.
Is he a warrior kind of, is it?
Yeah.
So, but he's not a dragon. This is like having sex with the dragons and
stuff. Dragons would not be for me.
For you,
bit scaly now, bit reptilian.
Anyway,
no, surely they're not riding the dragons. That's like beast. Anyway, any girls,
theology.
Any girls who are into this, any Bhur and Aistear story, okay, get in touch. Let us know. Should we read it?
I don't think dragons are real animals though. In 2026.
What do you mean you don't think?
Well, allegedly, listen.
What's the story about some Orville?
Yeah, some Orville. Well, no, apparently these are really big. This is big. So I doubt Ghaeltacht Savala lay of me on riding dragons.
That's your question. That's my genre.
Yeah,
I think Akatar is on Tra Atomid Togak and I don't know if there's bestiality in Akatar.
Okay. Yeah, I doubt.
Let us know in the comments.
Anyway.
Sounds good.
Kane Lauer's fire.
I love.
Where you go there?
Yeah. No, I love Laura Meowler. Like my favourite books I've read of like that they may face the rising sun, or that one Gur Rod of Untachtan Shkata Gurleme, the Stray Sad Country. Meowler Pubble, and like a period of time, like a snapshot in time, coming of age. It's not like, you know, personal odysseys.
I
think
Sinead Kushker hadn't on Shra on trilogy Edna O'Brien and her you know, maar like ní scéile Morris it's a really quiet personal story.
Exactly.
And I love them as well. Kind of like Casula Lauer, Sally Rooney, come on. You know, like nothing really happens. That's what people complain about. But it's like it's more of an internal, personal, interpersonal story about relationships.
World. Yes, absolutely. Sinead
it's brawl on the canal Lauer come on. Agus Ghaeltacht sin,
Yeah. Ach go háir nar tá siad bunathe in éireann, because I just feel like it's so familiar yet so far. And then you can be like, God, this is like the world my granny grew up in, or, you know, and then like on Ferbert Moore, Tatrish Tarlu, or Suchi na Héireann. Like it's very did you ever read the Elena Ferrante books, My Brilliant Friend, that Be a Great One Now, Nurtha to our maternity leave, because they're very, it's like that. It's actually Mealler Bert Cara is far and just kind of maps her wholesale ogre rather in a Nana Yoga Scarder Moltaí in Naples, Gigi Woodshid in the Shanamana, and it kind of Casula Country Girls, but it's like Italian and tá sé and like but like ten show like na seascadaí suascadaí an látá nó bhein and it's deadly but really very similar but Italian.
What's it called again?
My Brilliant Friend, the Neapolitan Quartet Glenn Tudorha and it's like Chiarraí. My close personal friend Elizabeth
Name drop. You need to pick that up there. Adam Mayer and Urlor.
That's something I love about storytelling. That do you know
what, name dropping?
Yeah. I think it's such an Irish thing. I think we love a bit of hobnobbery.
Yeah. No,
but you gotta do it in the right way though, because I actually bhí mé go lúidir den éigen an sanna déanaí and I was like lastig the truck a second they dropped a name and I was like, oh, this is so off-putting about you, like this is so, you know, I just like you're such a social climber and near handshake am an éair, but then like slite ella Dina and I'm like you know, you gotta do it right.
But few like Mar, I think Tadini and Aaron on a channel air rind parsonty more as a tier. So if you mention them, if you bring them up, like the scale of Dinish floor manager thumb, like it's not even my story, but in Síomha a goni model Daniel O'Donnell she go Daniel O'Donnell agus gur hánig she like her team pillar cúne agus gur knockmore gur hiúil she's shock out, she goes Jesus Christ and he goes not quite dear but close. And like ní looks on scale but in Síomha and people fucking love it. Gagged on scale shot like.
But Daniel O'Donnell's character we can all get behind.
See Sinead, you know,
we've all bought into.
But no, you're right. It's anything like that. It's kind of like that clickbaity stuff though. As soon as you're like, oh, I'll tell you a good one about Daniel. Yeah, you're in. I want to know
but
it.
But like I could tell you a story about a stranger, but everyone knows Daniel O'Donnell.
Yes.
Tugan sé rud again come to do liverock. You know,
well, you want the familiar. You want the
you
familiar.
do. Yeah.
I
actually caught myself out, Lynn and Nullig, surprise, exaggerating a story. But I didn't. Declan caught me out, but I thought it was so funny.
But see, I don't like when people get caught out. Like let her.
No. But like in the best way, because I was laughing. Like I've a tendency
believe her,
to,
you know.
Believe her exaggerations. Believe her.
I think it kind of adds. Sorry,
to it.
In a sheer scale.
But Ginshanton scale kind of semi to the truth, right? And so where we landed from where we started was the kind of the highlight of it all, you know. And Declan had been with me throughout an Ashton. So I guess that was the journey in and of itself. The journey of the evolution of the scale. So the scale was that we ended up at a party that Greta Thunberg was at. Darren was also there.
I was there, danced to set with her. I danced.
You did not.
I danced to set with Greta Thunberg.
Here we go. This story started as this and ended up with me being like, geez, I was telling you about our great friend Greta. Didn't we go out with her the other night? Go out? We did not go out with her. We were at a party where she was in the vicinity, but I had spun the story to the point that I was like, and the next thing I turned around from the bar and sure Declan was on the dance floor with Greta. I was like, you know, it was so good though.
I know. Well, I actually did say, I told our friend Owen O'Con, I was like giving him the debrief on the night and I was saying, Owen, Declan was betting to Greta for a chat and like he texted me several times over the Christmas being like, I still can't get over the vision of Declan Hannon chatting away to Greta Thunberg. So how did you get on with the old IDF there now? Ideal.
But now, sorry, one quote from the night.
This was pre-arrest by
the closest he got to her was to her kind of one removed. She kind of had a group of people around her at all times.
Yeah.
And he was like, I just wanted to go over and say, good girl, Greta. Like, you're doing great work.
Ideal.
And I just remember,
ideal.
Good girl, Greta.
Perfect.
You see, but now what story did we enjoy more? It was good girl, Greta. We were on the dance floor with Greta. Me and Declan were at a party Greta was at. Boring. Declan was dancing a set with Greta. Good girl, Greta. I'm in. I want to see the article. I want to
she's so bad on it.
I want to have a bit of ring then Vee versus Seomha Kane.
CC Now I actually did try to have a chat with her. I went up with the Moss Mulligan
to
try and have a chat with her and she's having absolutely none of it at all. Like so why come to a party if you don't want to have a chat? It's probably busy.
I'll tell you what, we were Darren, I was stopped and told.
Would you come to a party?
Enjoy yourself.
If you don't have a chat with me. Why would you come? Why are you here?
No.
Greta, can you go to the show?
No, she will. Anyway.
Greta, do you not know I have a story to tell you? Greta, sit down there and listen to my story. You'll love it.
Anyway.
Joe Daniel O'Donnell, Greta.
Yeah.
Weird to tell you what about Daniel, Greta.
Oh, Greta, you won't believe it.
Good girl, Greta.
Good girl, Greta. You're doing great work.
When you have Declan's going up to the bar to get his vodka sparkling water. When you have
and then to add to this, right, I was getting great mileage and we had a few weddings like I mentioned over Christmas, so I was continuing to use it. And then Declan would shoot.
What?
Declan would chime in and go. Sure, poor old Greta got arrested in London last week. Amazing. Like, so funny. Like, it was
Poor old Greta. Sure, I know, yeah.
She got arrested last week. God love her, my friend Greta.
Oh yeah, and then he probably like, you know, he does that as well. Actually, Declan's mannerisms,
like someone, yeah.
No, but I enjoy Louise and Declan as a double act telling a story because Louise just runs away with herself entirely, and then Declan is just like, "What are you talking about, Louise?
Yeah,
what are you talking about?" Like,
he's had enough of my shit.
Yeah, Louise like a balloon going up and up, and he's like pulling it right down.
Yeah,
listen, he was enjoying Greta Gate anyway, and he was fairly getting on board with it.
No, better man anyway. Fair dues to him. Well, look, we did have a great night with poor old Greta Thunberg. Fair dues.
Sorry, Sean ní Greta kneecap.
Yes.
So we'll shift on go on, drop the names now, girlies.
Who wasn't there? Like,
oh yeah, Shane. Yeah.
Literally Misha, but fuck it, you know, like who cares? Whatever.
Yeah.
It was wild.
It was good. It was the night of the Christmas really beyond the crack out.
No, it was really cool.
It was really cool, yeah. It was
Fiamar Glarit le Hosier, he actually complimented the podcast and said he'd love to come on Snavlian, but the Vishay Bhur nach raibh a chud gaig
yeah.
They're like, no, be Bhur Hosier,
yeah,
love.
so yeah.
Be fine.
What's that scale mago?
Yeah.
Good mad Hosier.
Yeah.
You're doing great work.
So Fifishay, Hosier Fifishay, and yeah, I it was Viana Sport down, but it was also just the most like really we were on excited rimish, so like so giddy
up
and then up to high dough. So anyway, and not kind of San Salumsa, you know, sin é a scale, má tá breag an bíoch cad é ver tips, so agur scale ancient nu chun fiásacher ever skillene afrasúireachta.
I think will winks Harveh tábhachtach agus tú ancient scéalta,
right? Yeah.
If we're a hain, just to like emphasise mata rugad like an dana own, but if we're a do mata Dennis a showmer who was actually own and who could deny the scale.
Do you know what I mean?
The Quakeasul is a very important aspect.
Absolutely, yeah. You do have to have a quick scan of the room as well to see is there anybody who's going to catch you out in the sly as well. You know,
or catching out is the killer.
Or if you're retelling maybe someone else's story and they're in the room.
That's a real Síomha Rourke. No, that's a real Síomha Rourke.
Yeah, I love trademark. Well, I just love telling like funny things that I've heard. I love telling them on. That's I've definitely
getting
got
caught out. Did I ever tell you at the time I was caught out by TG Carr? Like in an episode of a show.
No.
Like, this is the worst ever, but guide to gas, because in the edit they played up to it. So I was like Taffin takes Tashel, we were in Eindhoven and I fell off biking. I think I've told you this before, I got stitches on my chin. So I got 3 stitches. This is the truth, there's 3 stitches. But throughout the episode I'm a ginchant on scale, agus a hinchant on scale and so on and so forth. By the end of the episode I've 8 stitches got. But throughout it on the scenes I'm like, agus the chin hit me Shane, agus for my stitches. And then for my shock stitches, for my ox stitches. There was only
very Louise Ganton.
And in the edit they leave it all in until the end and I'm like,
oh, for fuck's
did you get any stitches?
Yeah, did you get it? I know. No, that's real me now as well. I will definitely stretch it to. Yeah, can't forget. I had 10 points last night. I had 15 points last night. I had 22 points. Yeah. Or like I spent 100
and 3 stitches.
Yeah.
Fractured elbow, 4 stitches.
Yeah. No, can't forget. New chin. Yeah. Can't forget. Okay, and
just as a fright she got in the plane home at all.
Yeah.
Wheeled on.
Yeah. Well, you know where that'll be made the Lara isn't Frosíach. Dan Frosíach. I love this little turn that makes a story.
Yeah.
You know, and if you just about níos luanar it didn't shoot scale and like you know Ruddy Harveh Air like a good one I picked up Harna Nullig was like he's only an out go boy, that fella.
Go boy.
He's only an out go boy. Like that's a great one. Or
could they go boy?
Like it's kind of like the fuck boy of the 50s. He's only an El Go boy, that fella wouldn't be, you know. Or oh Jesus, Bajapers. That's another good. Or I was thrilled no end with that now. You know, thrilled. And but like then like thrilled no end. You know, it's great. Really good. Really good. Like Ruddy
Geary Michael Carricker were rolling. Oh jeez, he's awful fried. That fella.
Yeah.
You know, she can't do it themselves.
No, and
awful ain road.
Affected. Oh, he's very affected. Like he's a bit. tick like he's a bit affected now that fella sin can ma so ruddy mar sin tanian siad sin gomorlam na casana gamian agot or like you know the idioms agus even if you may lay of lawerha shinid na ruddy gamian magoni curleen to fay you know
the turn of phrase
ruddy ar mhór an quid not her nibs. Her nibs. Oh, she didn't close to go.
No.
Really? Yeah, her nibs.
Her nibs.
And they're his nibs. I think it's always her nibs.
Her
isn't
nibs.
it?
Yeah, her nibs now.
What's this?
Yeah.
It's kind of like your one.
Herself.
Her nibs.
Yeah.
Is that a real Limerick thing?
No, Darren Maher Kahale Koma. I don't know Kadaska Dog and Shay, but like her nibs.
Her nibs.
Yeah, I don't know. I've honestly no idea. It's just I don't know. Honey Shay Kunkeen Harna Nullag, and I was like, oh, my mum always says that, and we call her Darren Maher Goni Koma.
Yeah,
that's
you know,
gas.
her nibs.
Her nibs. Yeah,
her nibs there.
It's a gas, and it can be the way you pronounce it as well. It says everything, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, her nibs.
Oh, sure, you know herself now.
You know her nibs.
Yeah.
Darren Maher Goni from Gaforka. You know her nibs.
Oh, right.
It's kind of like her Royal Highness. Her nibs. Yeah.
Well, there you go.
Please comment your good turns of phrases though, so we can steal them and use them in our next exaggerated scale.
Yes, actually, we want all of the casachtaí dasa mar sin. Yeah.
Or a time you were cut out. I love to hear it.
Yeah.
A time you were cut out.
Yeah. Well, I just think commandeering stories and jokes. It's sustainable. It's recycling.
Yeah, I think
Absolutely.
so too. I think we'll hear it.
Yeah.
There you go. Ecosystem. We're
Bhíonn bhuachaintí agus the ancient Ghaeltacht.
There you go.
Yeah. Right, Colleen, glúis an seachtainna, what are we thinking?
So, ag ascar tón chat sin, I know is focail tá clustig anna chuid daoine le déanaí ná Shanachí.
Yes.
Mar jail na híhananta Shanachíthe tá I'm going to HV Rockdal, so I'm going to throw in Shanachí amach an jim.
Scéalaocht. Cadella.
Fáine.
Shingama.
Ag brathir an scéal.
Well, I should say ábhail. I know go to ráite going to reach three shella so beidir.
Louise, Darren to ábhail and Hammerfad.
Okay, so you're not allowing me to do that.
No,
What about adding a little bit extra to the truth? So curum leis an bhíorda. Agus mé ancient scéalta.
Yes.
Okay.
But sin is farther.
Gael le rá being scéalta Louise Brack le Braig.
No.
Nach das.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're welcome. Full trove.
Being an earing a sheriff. Being an earing a sheriff.
Sinead.
Yeah, Sinead.
Could write a whole gloosh about me in my style.
And there you go.
How much of a liar you are. Should have taken down.
That's mean.
What? You're the one saying a current relation Virna.
Yeah, curum.
Agus jops agus iachs na seachtainna a bhanna gháin tell me catá líorhar grí an tachtan se.
Tá sin anna as. Bhí a ggéire jop na seachtainna chuirt de Chiarraí, cúnta Chiarraí. Okay? Cúpla rud. So Jessie Buckley an gédal she is ag bhuachaintí an Golden Globe, you know, go gíliann sé sin lads. Now would she kind of more front runner than a Oscars. So I'm like, go on.
Yeah.
Oh, clarity.
She on Critics' Choice and
okay, then I give Hamlet go full.
No, Layman Lauer, but Neil's gone on
really?
Yeah.
Well, obviously thought she even her fad bhuachaintí made cúpla snap ag dul timpeall enough, and it was her in Ursulines. She obviously was in boarding school in Tipperary. Agus ar an stáitse mar astor óg ag Lockport and like showing a scoile. And it was so cute. She obviously was always like, you know, destined for it. Agus géisteach le múntóirí agus gachar the raw ruddy dasa. So fair play Jessie Buckley. But then in Nuaster sin, Kerry's winning everything. And Comortas Cod in hair, and they've won the junior, they've won the intermediate. Ballymcgilligan in the junior. You on Ghaeltacht for the intermediate. So will they do the trifecta? Will Thy Kingdom come, as whatever article said today, and will Dingle win on Tachtan Shkuin?
Yeah, to say Anna Himul.
3 after 3.
Yeah.
It's 3 the lucky number, Darren.
There you go. We should go home to the lads on Ghaeltacht the Eshkent a Gardu and Curran the Rare. And like, we should just go, you know, Fergalo Shay, Darrow Canadian, it's our father, Toss Seher, who are some of the Tangas. We should really learn of other father, you know, and talk Tanga. And there's really some actually come a fechant like na fornige a ta, sna clahi canish, agus in like Feinu loch lauder a ta her fad. Yeah, there's just some and Jerry Hussey got in now for the Cork hurlers.
Yeah, I think that the role of a psychologist is very important, especially the more professional our amateur game becomes. Now, Louise Cantlin, OTE, the Sunday game.
And then with anailís Shaw or Patreon or Shock and Show.
Fader.
There you go. Right.
Yacht na Shochtana.
Yes, yacht na Shochtana.
You had a yacht.
I had a yacht. Oh, was this about in Parkall?
Yes.
You told me I couldn't do it.
No, go on. Let rip there. Let rip.
No, I'm just sick of the fucking price parking to say me have so sorry and it's just it's the Neil on Shervish umper Mahagohan Anachud Denam Hun the Lee and Bishach or Shervish Podley and it's a fucking pain.
So does say dul húsgart na carach is Jack Lorna carach. Céim fucking with the tmont.
No, well, orinthe siúlam, but like no, tá sé fucking freezing. Nu má tá sé báisteach.
Or if you're gumper stuff.
Yeah, nu má tá mé gumper stuff. Nu má tá mé dul like north inner city, like tá mé Coney north inner city. So like tá mé dul ó sin gotí like amach an seo. You know, like ní féile umpar paibli all.
No, but Neil's a good cause park on shock, Garrett. We're okay here. But I don't know, like Freisin, well, also tá na tolls hasted near to come off from the 1st of January. Tá na tolls hasted near the M50, which is only 10 cent in fairness, but still, and the toll. The tunnel is the sin hastel suits like
it's
like
insane.
It's carrier o'dag again buachaintí to the Dhoireann and Port Tunnel now.
I know.
Yeah.
So
no, Neil Shay, it's not car friendly, but Neil with a geary vet car friendly, but Tom Carrish got Neil in the service, you probably maha go.
That's the thing, like if you're going to tax the bejays out of Dana, then make it like tour incentive though. Yin she'd mirror show her on radio, Laling Shachtna actually, and Vider Kant Yeller, like Dina, a geary park and ride in of a noon layer, and they put up the park part of park and ride, and then but Tasha Trish Candice na busing at a Hogant own Shervy shin. So now like you're at, like it just makes no fucking sense. So anyway. So
but on Phelim Cash to Curse, Cahin and Oriana Cord to a bus.
Shulam.
Okay.
Yeah, Shulam Shakti learn a car on bus, but like ni fe lat shul gachile no mata like crinne gum howl like bader os charta like nismona or like and then you'd be talking about like Gavos all new and then like trying time all that.
Yeah, no, Gavos is where I draw the line. That's fair,
and then it's also like, by the way, like change. When is the last fucking time Griff Shung Shaw got?
Girl, get a leap card.
No, but Ornton Neil the Spiron go Ornton like you're running around. You know, Bader not fucking.
Are leap cards not on the phone yet?
No.
For fuck's sake.
No.
Do you know what?
That's really good.
That's we all need to relocate.
That's a massive yacht now. Yeah.
To the west. They're laughing any of our age story now that are down in Listowel, and they're like, how there's no parking prices down here. Like, do you know, I've told you this loads of times when I go in to get my hair done in Limerick City. €1, 2 hours. On the street. Come on.
Yeah,
go on, Limerick County Council.
But look, we've got a metro link now. We talked to Gown Deb Melina, so it's
not
fine.
Long,
we're
not
fine,
long.
You know, we'll be grand. Something to look forward to.
Oh my God,
do you know what?
range.
Bhí an Carta got yacht na shacht.
It's a fucking yacht.
Who do we email? Dublin City Council, is it?
God only knows.
Patrick O'Donovan.
I was getting a grilling there. I was like, I better answer correctly here now.
Who would you email? You'd be a good woman to send an email out our son.
What?
Would you go on and say, how to Gael object? We're fed up now of the cusses.
Well, see, I wouldn't go a Geron fui cusses park alla. I would be a Geron fuin umper piebly because we need to move to a car-free city.
Totally,
you know. So that's what I would be. That's what I'd be focusing in on.
And you know what? It's an awful pity because I have loads of lovely bikes from all of my TV shows, and I'd never fucking cycle them.
Go on. Sue's out the rower.
Yeah, but I'd never cycle them into Dublin City Centre because they just get robbed. Do you not hear about your man, V lad, that found 2 young fellas robbing his bike, and he went to confront them, and then they chased him with the fucking whatever
clippers.
Clippers to go. Like, it's just ridiculous. No guards in Dublin City Centre either. Anyway, there you go.
Okay.
Anyway, feck my mushiv.
Well, Ain Rod Darfuck le rá going.
No.
Okay.
That's it.
There you
We're
go.
done.
Now it's really meander, isn't it, lads?
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put that in your pipes. Park safely.
Okay. Good to talk and chogan.
Son.